With companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft leading the charge in generative AI, Apple kicked off its Worldwide Developers Conference by introducing its own branding, Apple Intelligence.
We want to ensure that the outcome reflects the principles at the core of our products.
Apple says its personal assistant Siri is now able to retrieve and analyze the most relevant data on the screen that you're working on or within all your apps. It showed examples of Siri finding an email where a friend recommended books, and how when filling out a form that requires personal information, it can pull up a photo of your driver's license and enter the details for you.
What Apple does is it zeroes in and says, instead, I'm going to inference just your personal data. And then I'm going to integrate AI into that database. So I can make all of your apps or your content more applicable to an artificial intelligence engine. And therefore, we could do all kind of new things that are much more personal.
Apple is using its own architecture, from chips to software to devices, enabling its AI to better understand you. The company says that means greater security, since the AI features are mostly happening on your device as opposed to in the cloud. But if a request requires computational power off-device, Apple Intelligence claims it will only send the data that's relevant to your task to be processed on highly secure Apple Silicon servers.
You should not have to hand over all the details of your life to be warehoused and analyzed in someone's AI cloud. With Apple Intelligence, powerful intelligence goes hand in hand with powerful privacy.
And that includes partnering with generative AI leader OpenAI in a unique way. Siri can tap into ChatGPT, but ask your permission first to share your request with that chatbot.
If you want some advice on decorating, you can take a picture and ask, what kind of plants would go well on this deck? Siri confirms if it's okay to share your photo with ChatGPT and brings back relevant suggestions.
Apple also unveiled some new AI features that allows you to sift through and enhance your own content. For example, you can actually remove unwanted distractions in a photo and search for very specific photos and within video too. It also showed an example where it could find a specific moment of a video where Maria was cartwheeling on the grass.
For all of this to work, you have to have a device that has at least an M1 processor on it. Because M1 and the M series processors have the advanced neural engine, I suspect that it will also cause a great refresh cycle for new phones, new Macs, and new iPads that have higher processors that run the neural engine.
So, as Apple seeks to harness the power of AI in personal ways, it also hopes consumers will be willing to shell out more to have that power in the palm of their hand. Mark New, CGTN, San Francisco.